If you're using iOS 18, you can now lock and even hide apps on your iPhone for extra privacy. Here's how to do it step by step. First, to lock an app, go to your home screen and tap and hold the app you want to secure. From the menu, tap Require Face ID. Tap Require Face ID. Once enabled, the app will require Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode every time you open it. This also hides the app's content from notifications, search results, and previews, making it much more private. If you ever want to unlock it, just tap and hold the app again and select Don't Require Face ID. Now let's talk about hiding an app completely. Tap and hold the app, then choose Require Face ID and select Hide and Require Face ID. You'll see a confirmation screen explaining that the app will be hidden, won't send notifications, and will be moved to a hidden folder. Tap Hide App to continue. To access hidden apps, swipe left to open the app library, then scroll down to the hidden folder. You'll need to authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode to open it. If you want to unhide the app, press and hold it inside the hidden folder, then tap Add to Home Screen and select Unhide App. So yeah, this feature gives you more control over your privacy and keeps your app secure on iPhone.